Hello everyone. This is another video on decision making. I hope you must have seen my earlier videos. So let's understand the question. X Limited manufactures and markets a single product. The following information is available. Per unit is given: material, conversion cost, dealer's margin, selling price. Fixed cost is given, present sale in units are given. There is competition and suggestions have been made for increasing sale. First suggestion they are asking is reducing sale price by 5%. Second one, increasing dealer's margin. So based on this information, we have to recommend the management whether to accept this or not. Means which one should be recommended in order to maintain the same profit. Now, so here we write current situation. Here we write case 1 या suggestion 1, that is reducing sale price by 5%. Reducing sale price by 5%. Second case, that is increasing dealer's margin by 25%. Case 2, increasing dealer's margin by 25%. Now here we can write particulars. So according to the information, per unit cost of material, conversion cost and dealer's margin is given. So first we can write selling price per unit. Selling price per unit is 20 minus variable cost per unit. Variable cost per unit calculation, there are three items are given. First one, material. So we write it there, material. Material is 8. Then conversion cost is given, that is variable. So we write it there, conversion cost, that is variable. It is given 6. Conversion cost is 6. We write it here 6. And dealer's margin is also given 2. So we write it there, dealer's margin. Dealer's margin is 2. So selling price per unit minus variable cost per unit, these three, that is equal to 8 plus 6 plus 2 is equal to 16. So 20 minus 16, that is our contribution per unit, that is equal to 4. Now case 1, we have to reduce the selling price by 5%. That means 20 minus 20 into 5 upon 100, that is equal to 20 minus 1, that is equal to 19. So the variable cost remain constant, 8, 6, 2. So that is equal to 16. 19 minus 16 is equal to 3. Now case 2, increase dealer's margin by 25%. Selling price remain constant, 20. Material 8. Conversion cost 6. We have to increase the dealer's margin, that is 2 plus 2 into 25 upon 100, that is equal to 2 plus 0.5, that is equal to 2.5. Now contribution is equal to 8 plus 6 plus 2.5 is 16.5. 20 minus 16.5 is equal to 3.5. Now first we have to calculate current profit. According to the question, we have to maintain the same profit is given. written here. So first we have to calculate the current profit. So profit is equal to contribution minus fixed cost. So in order to calculate contribution, we can apply sales minus variable cost. Contribution is equal to sales minus variable cost, or we can apply the formula sales into PV ratio. So we can apply sales minus variable cost. So sales is not given directly, so first we calculate sale. Here present sale of 80,000 units are given, selling price is given 20, those sale is equal to 80,000 multiplied by 20, that is equal to 16 lakh. Now variable cost is not directly given. Variable cost is equal to sales multiplied by variable cost per unit upon selling price per unit. So we know the sale value, that is 16 lakh, into variable cost per unit of current situation. This is the current situation. Variable cost per unit is the total of these three, that is equal to 16. So we write it there, 16 upon selling price per unit is 20. So variable cost is equal to 12 lakh 80,000. Now contribution is equal to sales minus variable cost, that is equal to 16 lakh minus variable cost is 12 lakh 80,000, that is equal to 3 lakh 20,000. Or we can calculate contribution, or there is another option to calculate contribution. Contribution is equal to units multiplied by contribution per unit, because contribution is variable, so variable according to the question, 80,000 units multiplied by, we have already calculated contribution per unit is 4, so 80,000 multiplied by 4 is equal to 3,20,000. Both the answers are same. So profit is equal to contribution minus fixed cost. Contribution already we have calculated 3,20,000 minus fixed cost already given in the question, that is equal to 2,50,000. So we deduct 2,50,000, that is equal to 70,000. Now the question is, we have to maintain the same profit. Here maintain the same profit, here it is desired profit. So in order to calculate this means in order to maintain the same profit, we have to calculate the sale. So we calculate sales in units is equal to fixed cost plus desired profit upon contribution per unit. Or we can calculate the sales on the basis of amount also. Here we can apply the formula fixed cost plus desired profit upon PV ratio. In that case, we have to again calculate PV ratio, applying the formula selling price per unit minus variable cost per unit upon selling price per unit into 100. Then apply this formula. Otherwise we can apply the first one. So we are going to apply the first one. First formula is equal to condition 1. Condition 1 is decreasing the sale price by 5%, the contribution is 3. So sales units required. So according to condition 1, fixed cost plus desired profit upon contribution per unit, that is equal to fixed cost is given in the question 2,50,000 plus we have already calculated profit, that is equal to 70,000. So we write it here 70,000 upon contribution per unit of case 1, that is 3. So here we write 3, that is equal to 1,06,667 units. Second case, again we apply the formula sales required, that is equal to fixed cost plus desired profit upon contribution per unit. So fixed cost is fixed cost plus desired profit upon contribution per unit, that is equal to fixed cost is again same 2,50,000 plus 70,000 upon contribution per unit of second case is equal to 3.5. So we write it here 3.5. So the answer is equal to 91,429 units. So we have to recommend the management which of the suggestion would be suitable for the company. So if the company desires to maintain the same profit, second option is better because increasing the dealer's margin by 25%, the company can sell only 91,429 units. The company is able to achieve the profit of 70,000. But again, the first case, if we reduce the selling price, then they have to sell 1,06,667 units in order to achieve the targeted profit, means desired profit of 70,000. Thanks for watching.